krenuo snimat ili?
Snimać cijelo vrijeme.
Aha. Hey guys! Sorry. We had technical issues. I'm with a friend today. What's your name?
Snack. Bog. My name is Filip. This is Roža. What's up?
We're right now 3 people in the Mazda.
No space for the third one.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
It's not fine.
Nah, you're small.
You're small. It's fine.
He never tried to sit back. So he thinks it's
I'm
okay.
big, I'm big man. I do not fit.
You go back.
No, I'm big man.
No,
I
bro,
do not fit. Okay, today we are going for a ride with our friend with the Hyundai. What does he drive?
Da. To. Coupe.
Hyundai Coupe 2.0.
When you compare the back seats of this and the Hyundai is a minivan.
But this is Japanese car for small people, Japanese.
Yes.
And Hyundai is from
Korean.
Korean.
Okay, so we go for a ride. But first of all, we need some fuel.
Yes.
Let's get some fuel. So guys, if you drive a rotary, it's important to pre-mix your fuel with 2-stroke oil. And if you drive with the OMP still enabled, you mix like 1 to 300.
Ja potrebu kantu.
Moramo nešto reći za to.
Pa ti si trebao preći dok to radiš. What are you doing, bro? Udri! Yeah!
Very good, very nice.
On je good.
Hey guys. Now we got some fuel. Now we go.
What do you have to say for the camera? What the fuck? Resting. Drop a gear and disappear.
Do next?
We're gonna drift.
No drift videos. Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Yeah, we put new coilovers in and they are very smooth. Not too hard, not too soft. Very good.
Very smooth ride.
Where did you find the car?
Found it like on eBay. Yeah, I found it on eBay.
Okay.
And before I bought it, the car stand 25 years still. And so
It was 25 years at one place. It hasn't moved for 25 years.
yeah, it hasn't moved for 25 years. And after I bought it, I changed all fluids, make the engine run again, changed the fuel pump, fuel filter, the injectors. I changed basically everything that's with the fuel system, or in line with the fuel system, yeah. And then I bought some wheels, put coilovers on, changed the taillights, put some stickers on, and that's it. And we cleaned it a lot. It was so fucking dirty, it was a mess. And unfortunately, it's not the turbo version, it's just the NA version, and it's pretty slow.
No.
Yeah, it is. It's way too slow.
No.
It looks way faster than it is. But we may be gonna put a turbo on soon, and then it should be fine.
What the fuck? That's it. It was a kind of boring video today, but leave a like and subscribe.
Share it with a friend and a family and every dude you have.
Yeah, share it with some friends. Comment down below in the comment section.
Very good. And you leave me 3 houses before, because this car wakes up all my siblings and then I can sleep at the street. Here.
Oh!
Yes, there.
Sorry, bro.
Very good.
No seatbelt, bro.
See you tomorrow.
Chodź, ja moram van. Wait, bro, wait.
You get fired if you don't talk.
See ya, bro. And you, bro. See ya.
Huh.
Thank you. You want it? You want me to close your door?
Yes.
Okay. Goodbye, guys. Thank
Goodbye,
you.
goodbye.
What's this?
Hey, what are you doing? Stop, we can't show this on YouTube.
Oh,
Hey.
sorry.
Stay focused.
Sorry.
Where are we now?
Desno.
The next video, guys, I'm gonna show you my E36 turbo build. Yeah, I'm gonna make a basic video where I explain